Hey guys, it's Jessica. Welcome back to my channel. I am partnering with Dove to show you how their UltraCare Concentrated and Repair Cream Conditioner helps repair my curls and add moisture after all my travels and just the regular wear and tear my hair goes through. I love this conditioner because it is super moisturizing, and as soon as I apply it to my hair, my curls instantly feel softer. It also has great slip, making it really easy to detangle. As you can see, my curls look shiny and luscious after conditioning, and I've seen such a big transformation in the health of my hair after incorporating it into my routine. After conditioning, I style as usual, and my curls have looked so defined and healthy. Dove's UltraCare Concentrated and Repair Cream Conditioner really helps to rejuvenate my curls and give it the extra nourishment it needs. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.